Okay, how did we get here? I'm going to get this out of the way in the first video because the question is going to come up at some point, and yeah, I'm going to forget how it's all got started because I'm getting old. So I'm just going to tell you now and get it over with. I'm going to make this story short. So, well, it's probably going to go long because I like to talk. This thing started because one morning, my wife gets up and she says, "Ooh, that's some interesting stuff you're doing there. Can I do some of that stuff?" So, mind you, for some of you, this might not be a shocking thing, but after being married 22 years and no interest in what I'm doing, right? And all of a sudden, one day, hey, can I build one of those? But that's not how the channel got started. The next day it goes like this. So, hey, wouldn't it be funny if we recorded this stuff? People would probably think this was funny. And I'm like, no, I don't think people would. Anyway, so I've always been in technology in some way, shape, or form. Went to the Navy, took care of mainframes for 6 years during 2 wars. Came out of there, been doing technology ever since, soldering, robotics, automation, the whole deal. And I realized, hey, maybe I can, do some teaching. Or, well, during the course of trying to teach our youngest, doing the homeschooling thing, I got pulled into doing some STEM teaching for the group that we were part of. And then that worked into a makerspace. So I founded a makerspace, and that also worked into teaching for an organization that did homeschool enrichment. And then I did some robotics clubbing for a little bit. Intermixed with all of that, I got double pneumonia, car accident, and finally I had to stop doing all the extra activities because it got to be too much. So kind of put everything away for a while. But here we are. So, working out of my garage. If you're wondering what all of that in the background is, yes, my lab has moved into my garage, and well, we're about to have some fun. All this stuff is going to be recorded. Yeah. So, here we go. It's going to be a trek.